Tired of the Android versus iPhone divide? For years, the lack of seamless file sharing between these two mobile giants has been a source of frustration, even fueling social divides like the infamous green bubble shaming. But a game-changing update is here. Google's Pixel 10 phones can now share files directly with iPhones using AirDrop. Before we dive in, let's remember the history. Google has been working to bridge the gap between Android and iOS. They pushed for the adoption of RCS messaging to fix the text messaging issues and even collaborated with Apple on unwanted tracking alerts. Now, Google is tackling the file sharing issue. iPhone users have long enjoyed the simplicity of AirDrop, effortlessly sharing files with other Apple devices. Android users have Quick Share, but it couldn't talk to AirDrop until now. Starting with the Pixel 10 smartphones, Quick Share can directly share data with iPhones, iPads, and Macs. But here's where it gets interesting. To make this work, the iPhone user needs to set their AirDrop to everyone for 10 minutes. Google emphasizes that this isn't a workaround, but a direct, secure connection. Your data isn't going through any servers, and nothing is logged. Plus, iPhone users can send files back to Pixel 10 phones. Interestingly, Google didn't collaborate with Apple on this. A Google spokesperson stated that they welcome the opportunity to work with Apple to enable sharing in contacts-only mode. Google's goal? To make file sharing easy and safe for everyone. And this is the part most people miss. The magic behind this new feature is the memory-safe Rust programming language, which ensures comprehensive data safety. Google even had NetSPI, a third-party security firm, validate the security, and the results were impressive. Controversy alert: this feature is currently limited to the Pixel 10 series, which launched in August. Google plans to expand it to more Android devices in the future. To use this feature, simply select what you want to share, choose Quick Share, and ensure the iPhone user has their AirDrop set to everyone for 10 minutes. What do you think about this new feature? Will this finally bridge the gap between Android and iOS users? Share your thoughts in the comments.